Good morning, everyone. Welcome. As I'm doing the video right now, pre-market has not begun yet. Yesterday, after hours and during regular hours, well, especially in the after hours, but either way, if you've noticed the Chinese stocks, just about any China stock you had bought yesterday, you would have made money. All of them were going up, right? Some more than others, right? Top went up 1,000% yesterday. And top was the stock that I called out in my Discord at $8.93, and then again at $9.11. So you would have known about it, and you could have gone up to $240 within the same day. I did a video yesterday on YouTube, and I showed it the screenshot from my disc when I had called it. But either way, MEGL went up yesterday. ILAG, of course, that would have went up also. Most of the stocks that you're seeing here are Chinese, most of them. And so what happens today in pre-market hours, we'll see. Will there be a continuation of this? Let's hope, because it would be nice to see retail investors make money for once. Institutional investors always make their money. Let's see how this goes. If it does continue, we'll see. Maybe the SEC won't like it, but either way, I have something else to show you in this video. 3 stocks we're going to talk about in this video. All right, Pinterest is one. Pinterest had their earnings yesterday, right, in the after hours, and it went up and then it crashed downwards, along with Amazon. Same thing. Amazon had the earnings yesterday, and it was at $109. And in my Discord and Patreon, I said, guys, it's at $109. The earnings are coming up, and I think that I don't personally think that I can lose anything, because either way, whatever the results are, Amazon is still a great company to hold for the long term. And at 109, it's still pretty good, right? But what happened is that in the earnings yesterday, Pinterest, along with their earnings, they announced in the earnings a multi-year ads partnership with Amazon. Some people don't know that, right? It's sort of not in the mainstream media yet, but so that was part of the earnings announcement, part of the results that they had a multi-year ad partnership with Amazon. So that's big. And Pinterest actually fell to 23 yesterday in the after hours, which I thought was a good price. So, but we do have the Fed rate hikes coming up. Maybe we can get Pinterest at 22. That would be nice, right? So let's see what happens. Now, I'm not saying you should buy it, but I'm just giving you the news here. So I think both companies, personally speaking, for me are great at the right price. Is for me a sure way to make money. The earnings from Pinterest yesterday, global monthly active users had increased 7% year over year to 463 million monthly active users, which is awesome. And the GAAP net loss was $209 million for Q1. Adjusted EBITDA was $27 million for Q1. And so on, revenue in 2023 went to $602 million. Compared to the 2022, that was a 5% increase, because last year it was $574 million. So I like Pinterest. I think it's a great stock, and if I can pick it up at $22, 23, or even lower than 22, it would be amazing. Now Pinterest is not 27. That was before the after hours. So we'll see what it opens in pre-market. The other stock that went down yesterday is Cloudflare. I don't fear Cloudflare. In fact, I'm happy that it went down massively, because that's perfect opportunity to get in, because Cloudflare will always bounce back. It's a great company in my opinion. They'll get back. They had their revenue yesterday, first quarter revenue total to $290 million, representing an increase of 37% year over year. They delivered a GAAP loss operations of $47 million, or 16% of total revenue. And they achieved operating cash flow of $36 million positive, or 13% of their total revenue. They gave a guidance, 40-year guidance, due to recession fears and so on. Not bad, but they didn't say, we're gonna do amazing in 2023. And the stock went down. It went from 59 to 44. It went around there, $44. In my opinion, Cloudflare is another powerful company, which whenever it does have a great discount, I like it. So I don't fear this company. NET is the ticker symbol. I'm super excited. In fact, here's a historical fact here for my channel. Back when Cloudflare, I think it was back in 2020, if I remember right, Cloudflare was trading around $30. And I had made a video on my YouTube channel analyzing and reviewing the company, and I said it's at $30. And I believe I said in the video exactly these words. I believe that at 30 it's a great buy to hold and sell over $200. And it actually happened. It went from 30, and in 2021, a year later, it hit $230. So that was pretty cool. All right, and we go to Amazon yesterday also. Amazon was, like I said, 109. They came out with the earnings in the after hours, jumped up to 122, then went back down to 107, 108, 109, around there. And that was because they gave, everything was good as far as the earnings. It wasn't bad, but they just said that they had a weaker growth for the Amazon Web Services, and for some reason, that was it. Also, an analyst came out and said, after reviewing the earnings that came out in after hours, I believe that based on the earnings results, Amazon is currently trading too expensive. So for those reasons, it went from the 122 pop that it had down to back down to 107, 108. What do I think about Amazon? Obviously, it's a great stock to hold, but I would like to buy Amazon at $100, at 99, 98, maybe 95 if you can go there. That's where I'm aiming to buy Amazon. Last time I bought Amazon was at $89 back on February 2023 when I announced it in my Discord, and I said, you know what, it's at $89. This is a perfect deal, right? So will it go back down to 89? I don't know, but 95 is where I'm targeting to get an entry again. And I think we'll get there. I think we'll see. Amazon is working on some new AI stuff. So if they come out with news about, positive news for artificial intelligence stuff, then probably I won't see 95. It'll go, higher. So that's that. Pinterest, Cloudflare, Amazon. Keep these stocks in your watch list for today. Check them out, and also have the Fed rate hike in mind on May 3rd. If you want to join my Patreon, Discord, link will be in the comment section below.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. With 90% accurate trade predictions, we have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.